With Simplified, you can adjust the animation for your video in just a click. Once you're on your artboard, begin by selecting the element that you want to animate, and then go ahead and choose this animate icon in the top toolbar. A menu on the right-hand side will open up with all the different options for animation. You can preview each animation by hovering your mouse over the animation icon to preview what that will look like on your element. If you want to add spin animation to your artboard, simply click this spin icon here, and now that animation will be added to your element. You can adjust the on-screen duration of your element and animation. You can preview your animation by using these icons up here, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to adjust the animation speed to be slow, normal, or fast, adjust the easing, and even putting your animation on a loop by toggling this on here. You can preview your entire artboard by using this play icon in the bottom toolbar. And there you go. To use Simplified's fantastic design tools, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.